I'm trying out a new subscription box. This one is from ThreadBeast. If you haven't heard of them, they're a streetwear focused brand that curates different streetwear items. After you create a style profile, every month they'll send you different clothes and shoes. Let's see what they got for me. All right. This one's from Canton. Love the color, fits nice. This is from Joe's. I like it, a little oversized. I'm not huge into stripes, but it fits my style. This is from Jack & Jones. I love this brand. This actually matches what I'm wearing right now. So I think I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. These are from Rich or Poor. So soft and comfortable, very luxe feeling. I dig these. Alright, these are from Paxson. I like them, I don't love them. These are anything I would buy. This sweater is from Banks Journal. I dig it, I love it. Modern, clean, a bit oversized. From King of Ice. So funny, I actually used to model for this brand. They rock this. Not too gaudy. Definitely. This whole, now the pants with my fit. Yeah.